Hey, what's up, guys? How you guys doing? Sorry for the delay. Give me a second over here, guys. Give me a second before we actually get started here. How's everyone doing, though? Uh, Yo, what's up, Mr. Grind Time? Good morning, Mr. Grind Time. Uh, Good morning, H. Good morning, BDN. Let's see what we got here. Uh, all right. Let's see what we have. Good morning, Mac. Good morning, Attraction Spot. Good morning, Kat. Good morning, Ross. Good morning, Martincio. Good morning, Dayo. Good morning, Josh. Yeah, let's make some money. All right. Just a second before we do all that. All right. Looking at GJ, I actually freaking took EJ. Um, Let me see. What did I tell my? Oh man, I must have told my VIP the wrong thing. Um, Damn. I don't know. Well, I guess you make that mistake sometimes. I meant to tell them to freaking close half here because I closed half on EJ. I took EJ buys, but this candle freaking flip bearish on me. But we'll see what happens. Anyway, so GJ buys above 162 because now we have a range going on here, and we got resistance right here, support down here, and we also can see that here to the left we got support that was created here as well to the left. So I'm anticipating, but because today is Friday, GJ might not even do that if we do go bullish, because the yen is actually weak right now. So if we do go bullish, I'm really anticipating we get back to 163. And if the momentum is crazy, who knows? We might get back to 163,800. So we'll see how that goes. Buys above 162, sells below 161. So that's what I'm looking at with GJ. So we got buys above 162. All right. Okay, and we got sales below 161, 200. All right. Okay, so that's that for GJ. See, this music is gonna play now. Um, so as far as EJ goes, though, it's still gonna be buys above 136 400. So man, so EJ buys above 166, 136 400. I'm about to turn my ad blocker back on. And sales below 135 800, because as you guys can see, we have multiple rejections here. So because of that, I really don't think we're gonna come back down to the support and actually break the support. Looking at EJ, because it has tried to break the same zone multiple times, and each times it kept on going up, rejecting, going up, rejecting, going up. And right now we actually do have a break and close above this resistance. So I really do have a strong feeling with EJ buys, but we'll see what happens though. So sales below 135 800. All right. We just got to see what happens when London session opens. All right. Let's see what we have here. Good morning, Eva. Good morning, Oluwa Kemi. Good morning, Vickwell. Yeah, that's all right, H. Oh, good Iron Man trading in the house. Good morning, Ked. Good morning, Andres. All right. So let's take a look at GU. Let's take a look at GU. Honestly, if you ask me, GU just looks way too messy for me. Hold on, I'm about to turn my ad blocker on. Alright, there we go. Boss, always. Alright. What the hell? What just happened? Alright, shit, I'm gonna just wait for this chart to load. So let's go to CJ. CG already broke and closed above, so now the next support zone here is at 104. So in this case, if we do not have a resistance here on CJ, right here to the right, there's every possibility that even if CJ does close above, there's at least 80% chance that after closure we are gonna get a bearish candle. Now that bearish candle might just come down just to retest this support, just to create a rejection here bottom week for a bullish continuation. That's if we do not have a resistance right here to the right. So we'll see what happens with that. We'll see what happens with that. So I'm just gonna leave CJ alone for now. Alright, so with AJ here, AJ, we do have a resistance here to the left. So if we do break above 93,200, we should continue pushing up to the next resistance, which is at 93,800. Alright, so looking for buys on AJ above 93,200. Uh, Right, and sales on AJ is going to have to be below this Asian low right here. Is this Asian low? Yeah, below the Asian low, which is at 300. EJ, the evil is stronger than JPY. So I don't know why EJ is acting that way. So maybe we're gonna get a very nice bullish momentum once London session opens. I just want to trade this London session and be done. I don't want to mess with New York session at all today. Yeah, I don't mind trading. I'm actually not looking for sales, not at the moment. I'm looking for buys. I thought I just blocked this. Alright. Alright. Uh, Looking at NAS is currently in this range. We're not gonna trade NAS. Never mind. We're not gonna trade NAS. Alright, so we just gotta wait for London Open here. Akine, I mean, it depends on, what setup we get. It depends on what setup we get. I'm really not a fan of trading CJ during London. I prefer trading CJ during New York. Either New York or Asian session. AJ and CJ actually, but when it comes to London session, AJ has more volume than CJ. It tends to move a lot more than CJ. Um, but maybe today will be this day CJ is just gonna freaking move. Who knows? Why is this showing me EJ here? Alright, all we gotta do is just wait and see what happens here, guys. We just need to break above or below this range. That's it. That's all we need from GJ. Good morning, Mario. But
highs with the lows. That's like these days. World chained up, he on lockdown. Phone call 3 ways. I just pray that
thank you for subscribing, Joe Vega.
on my way up to the top now. That's on me, ayy. The highs with the lows. That's like these days. World chained up, he on lockdown. Phone call 3 ways. I just pray that he find God now. It's no replay. On my way up to the top now. That's on me, ayy. Any day could have been dead. High school price on my head. Paranoid lying in my bed. Pray to God they don't turn my shirt cherry red. I was lost, didn't know me. Introduced myself to codeine. 6 months was a dope fiend. Philly didn't even know things. There was a low me. Swear to God that would have owed me. Everything you ever told me. Everything you ever showed me. I forgot it. Caused me drama. I used to stay on one. Now I chase on them. The highs with the lows. That's life these days. Bro chained up, he on lockdown.
Good morning, Sparkleby.
I just pray that he find God now. It's no replay. On my way up to the top now. That's on me, ayy. Hit the highs with the lows. That's like these days. Bro chained up, he on lockdown. Phone call 3 ways. I just pray that he find God now. It's no replay.
Good morning, Robbie.
Up to the top now. That's on me, ayy. I just saw Jizzy got a plane. Guess it's what he meant when he said nothing was the same. Lately I've been grounded, energizing off the pain. Some things gon' change. I'm just soaking up the game. Through the mud, out the rain, like.
Hey, good morning, NDL.
I remember all those same nights. Now I'm on top, no stage fright. Now I'm on go, no brake lights. Hit the pedal, hit the engine roar. No fear like a matador. Breaking trends and I'm making more. Going up, climbing ladders more. I can't be stopped. Now I do what I want. Real, no front. All the way to the top. Highs with the lows. That's like these days. World chained up, he on lockdown. Phone call 3 ways. I just pray that he find God now. It's no replay. On my way up to the top now.
Frames, yeah.
The highs with the lows. That's like these days. World chained up, he on lockdown. Phone call 3 ways. I just pray that he find God now. It's no replay. On my way up to the top now. That's on me, ayy.
I want to see what EJ is gonna do here. I'm bullish on EJ. Oh, good morning, Abe Tomisini, my namesake. We got my namesake in the house. Good morning, AJ. I mean, we just got on live, so we're just waiting to see what happens here. Oh, this is looking good now. This is a nice one here. If it do continue, if we stay in this range, right in this range with EJ, and then when London opens and we start going back up, we'll still have a decent entry because we can have our entry somewhere around, let's see, maybe somewhere around 136, 460 or 136, 498. That will still be a decent entry on EJ. Oh, Super Data Wolf, where have you been? Good morning. Thank you for subscribing, Derek. I'm actually bullish on all JPY pairs. JPY is weak. You've been sleeping during London? That's fine. All right, we got exactly 30 minutes to London Open, and we'll see what the market does. Good morning, Justin. Good morning, Kill the Beat. Said EJ turned heavily bearish on 1 minute. I hate the 1 minute time frame. I hate it with passion. Take note of this bearish candle. No top wick at all. Uh, oh man. You sold gold? I don't trade gold. Why is this ad blocker not the hell? This ad block is not working. I should check NJ. I actually haven't traded NZD in a while. Alright, let's check NZD. Let's see if it's clean, just like Arun said it is. Oh, alright, let's do some analysis on NZD real quick. Start on the 4 hour. Uh, Wow, got resistance here. Currently rejecting resistance here on the 4 hour. Uh, do, 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 do. Okay, NZD looks cleaner than AJ. Uh, all right. It's like I'm gonna have to look for another ad blocker. This one is not working. Uh-huh. All right. Finish it up on the 30 minutes. Just gonna close this. All right. NZD looks clean. I'm not gonna lie. It really does. All right. Buys above closure here. Oh, there, here they were again, preaching about freaking hungry pips.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear
All
none.
right, GJ looking good.
No cause. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shady, my bros raw. No breaks, we go, 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 go. Throw shade, that's a no, 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 no. Go high, go low, low, low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more, more, more. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I'm a real one, my day ones. Try speak up, can't say none. Try dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money that save up. 10 to 80, my savings.
Oh,
On the base one. New car, waist on. Fast lane, pace on. With the booyah, that's a flex. Not a human, I ain't from another planet. I'ma teleport, might vanish. I'ma wake up, do damage. Drawing number 7, he's bored though. Working all night.
we got 140 people watching, and we only got 35 likes. Come on, guys, you guys can do better. Thank you for subscribing, Francisco. Thank you, Christina. No, not yet, John K. We just gotta be patient here, guys. Patience, patience, patience. Patience is the name of the game. Let's see if we can close this week with a bang. Finish this week strong. And complete the smashing of NFP week. Yep, we're looking at GJ and maybe EJ as well, or NZDJPY. Actually gonna switch this to GU. I've not been able to look at GU today. GU. Uh, and GU is looking good on the 5 minutes. Man. Ain't seen you at the top and spent a while for you. Pick you up and they look down on you. Take one last, no one's GU is looking good here, guys. So we're gonna see how this candle, this 30-minute candle is gonna close. Because right now GJ still has to break above EJ the same, NZDJPY the same. So we're gonna look at GU here. So we're gonna look at GU. Looks good on the 15-minute though, but we got 10 more minutes here for London Open, so we're just gonna wait and see what we're gonna get here after this 30-minute candle closes.
No defense, still strong, no weakness. Used to say I wouldn't beat this, now they wish they could beat this. Tables set, now tables turn. God's plan, don't say a word. Know the price, cause I know my worth. My time, get what I deserve. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top and spent a while for you. Pick you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop.
So I deleted the first person. Now this hungry for pips whatever must be sending you guys. You're gonna have to go to someone else's stream and do all that. Not over here.
Son of God, no, I am not son of man. Blessings keep falling, the fingers keep coming in.
How you said I'm good for views? So if we do not have a good entry here, we're just gonna have to wait for GU to break above this resistance here at 1.21750, which is right over here. I'm actually bullish on all JPY pairs. I'm bullish on all JPY pairs.
I keep God first. I see evil when I converse. This how God works. Play my position, what he's giving with no concerns. Set it off. Top of the morning, I'm gonna set it off. You living boring, I'm gonna set it off. Shooting them scoring, I'm gonna set it off. Like soldiers touring, I'm gonna set it off. Told me, baby, meet me at the bank. Told me, mama, I'ma break the trend. Locked in, I'ma change the weight. Working for them, big baby's kids. Hard times couldn't make the rent. Working hard, couldn't save a cent. Lonely nights, just me and God. Swear to him, always made the ends. Grab a paper, see the news. Hate coming by the tools. Walk a mile in my shoes. Something you could never do. Got my back against the wall.
Remember, we got seven more minutes for London Open. This thing could still freaking change once London opens, and it could continue. Now the question is, can it come down and eventually break this support? Because just look at it. It has tried multiple times and just couldn't break this support. So we have a very, very strong zone here. Every time it tried coming down to break below, he just couldn't do it. He just kept on rejecting. So we shall see. Man, and EG, you just wanna freaking keep going, huh? GU is trying to go without us, guys. GU is like, well, I don't care about you guys today. I'm ready to go, so I'm gonna go. Yeah, tell GU, Uzbek. Calm down, calm down. Yeah, keep coming down. Drop. Come on, GU, calm down. Look at this GBP news though. Look at this GBP news right here yesterday. Crazy move to the downside. Shit, how many pips did this thing drop? Let's see, once this candle flip bearish, that was a very nice entry. But man, your stop loss though. What was the stop loss here? 30 pips, not bad. 30 pips stop loss, and if you stayed in this 100, let's say you target this support here to the left, right over here, you get at least 70 pips out of this move. Very nice. Come on, GU. Oh well. GU is now listening. Oh, man. GU is probably gone. There's nothing. Excuse me. There's not. Oh man, it's gone. Yep, GU is gone. GU is gone, guys. Oh, you already in on GU? I would have taken it, but it's too close to London Open, so I would rather wait and see if it's gonna break above this next resistance here at 21,750. So tricky, yeah. Come on, man. All right, London session is officially open. I'm not in, guys. I'm not in yet. This is NZDJPY in case you guys can't see it. If EJ should come back down to this level, it's actually gonna drop. If EJ should come back down to this level, it's coming back down to this support. If it comes back down to this level, where my entry is, it's coming down back to this support. No, you can't sell now. I'm in, guys. What the hell? What's going on here? Uh, um, we got a 15 pip SL here. NZDJPY. I'm in NZDJPY. Just gonna see if this thing is gonna come all the way up here.
Next to you, only wake up if I'm next to you. You extra too. I said slide with some extra too. X and O's, try to stay on my P's and Q's. Me, my boo, when I get lost, you gon' see me through. Pedestal, I put you on the pedestal. Edible, I need you like my vegetables. My pocket's fatter, my pocket's fatter. It don't really matter, it don't really matter. My pocket's fatter, my pocket's fatter. It don't
Come
really
on, man.
matter, it don't really matter. My pocket's fatter, my pocket's fatter. It don't really matter, it don't really matter. Money come and go, yeah, go and come. I hope you can stay. Don't you run away, just don't run away. Money come and go, yeah, go and come. I hope you can stay. Don't you run away, just don't run away. Next to you, only wake up if I'm next to you. Sexy too, make me wanna get sexual. My bestie too, and my bestie too. Test me too, but I love when you test me too. Tough on the back, most not good to go. Oh for sure, you my number one, then my number one. You the go, love it when I'm here, but miss you on the road. Oh you know, hate it when I leave. You know I'll be
How you said EJ is confusing. NZD JPY, Ekina. Alright, somebody else just came in from Hungry Pips. London session just started. We got 15 pips stop loss here and 20 pips TP.
Like it back to the bank, tell her on us. Put in overtime, so I do what I wanna.
GJ is not ready at all. If you're trying to sell EJ from here, it's very risky because we don't really have clean traffic here to the left. But I do believe if it crosses 136, 180, it's coming back to this support. It should come back to this support. That's what it wants to do. Looking at the 1 hour. But also, it could come down and get to this minor support here. Could come down to this minor support and then reject this minor support just like it did here previously on the 1 hour with this bullish candle. And then flip bullish and start going up. So I'm just not gonna take it. It's too risky. Selling EJ here It's too risky. It's too risky. Yes, J Woods. I'm in NJ. Um, I took buys on NJ. Mm-mm-mm. As of right now, I don't see any. I don't see any other trade. Nothing. GJ is still fighting to break this resistance. Fingers. Are you guys seeing this? People from Hungry for Pips FX. I keep deleting them. They keep coming back. Different people, different accounts. That's crazy. If this is not desperation, I don't know what this is. Like, why do you have to be doing all this in someone else's stream? This alone, what your people here are doing, wouldn't even make me go to your channel at all. Oh, you said I gotta block the phrase hungry for pips? That's crazy. Hungry for pips. Alright, maybe I'll probably block that phrase.
Time never stops, no the timing is now. Time to clean up the block. Streets been a mess. How can I breathe? Smoke in the air, pure gasoline. I see the news, see what you read. Change gotta come, put that on me.
Let me go to freaking
But it's never late. Do it for my kids, yeah, let's set it straight. Do it for your kids, gotta set it straight. It's time to regulate. We need change now. We need solo, we need EV in the game now. Make it changes so the earth we know can stay around.
let me go to Nightbot. Nightbot is gonna fix the issue for me real quick. Um, spam put. And why can't I remember where I need to go to block that word? Man, I'm still damn. I'm trying to figure out where I need to go to block that phrase. Man. Actually, JPY is just playing here. Uh, yeah. Alright, looks like I can't block it. I can't block that phrase. Yeah, I don't know how to do that here on night, but I'm probably gonna have to. No, can I do it on YouTube? I don't know. I don't know if I can do it on YouTube either. How you said they're literally hungry for people? EJ testing resistance. I don't know what happened to my ad blocker here. It was working before and all of a sudden it doesn't work anymore. This right here. Here we've been in EJ. I mean, I said EJ and ZDJPY. We're trading NZDJPY today for the first time in a while. probably in a month or so. I don't think I've traded into the JPY for like a month now.
Not your average artist, I am not the one to bargain with. Competition, target practice, I don't see no targets hit. I fear God and that's all I fear. This is not a
Okay.
starter kit. This is not gas, this is Gucci to the cardigan. Down to the moccasins. This is not a brag, I can hardly care. Lately I've been bugging, buying clothes that I'ma hardly wear. Being broke is what I fear. I've been down, I've been down, I've been down. We are young. I've been down, I've been down, I've been down. We are young. Here now, so I'ma make it last. Look for the future, I can't live in the past. And I seen the picture, died in that crash, but thank God I ain't too cool for the safe belt. My two kids in the back can't imagine how they felt, and they cried and they wept, but they're strong, and we move on. 5 steps back, but bet that I pretend on.
All right. GJ looking good here. Come on, NZDJPY. Yeah, you're so view right. I'm probably just gonna have to resubscribe to TradingView because I'm tired of the freaking ad popping up. I'm just freaking stingy with my money. Like, I'm not using TradingView for nothing else. But I got that's what you get. You either pay for the pro version or you're gonna keep getting all these ads. It's annoying, so just gotta pay for it. The New Zealand dollar is very, very, very strong, and JPY is very, very weak. Ah, you said you're not paying for it. Yeah. Unblock extension works the best. You block. You block. Isn't that what I have? Oh, that's not what I have actually. No, I don't want to. Um,
I like my coffee black, wife too. Don't turn this into controversy. It's my boo. I could make a quarter million off a haiku.
why did you say it was? You block?
Times two. If it's money on the table, I'll be on it like Bobby or Epic. You peep the aesthetic. It's hard to forget it. I hear you talking, but you're hardly right. I'm the voice of your prototype. Summertime and then why? Summertime and then why? Dry times out. Summertime and then why?
All right, we're gonna see if it actually works.
I'm talking 6 a.m. tea times. 18 with the mayor talking land banks. I waited for it, gotta get mine. Snag a seat up at the table if my man can't. Head into a meeting, we're familiar with no briefcase. Just my mind in a free state. I got a plan through a vision, but it takes time. I'ma make mine. Summertime and then why? Summertime and then why? You know the drill by now. Summertime and then why? Get up, get together, get the squad together, get the gang together. Summertime and then why? Summertime and then why? Started in the back office, now I'm on the front. Call the shots, make the deals, know the deal, know what's up. Too much for the books, then I put it in a tuck. Too much for the tuck, then I give it to my love. Once I make a million, man, a mil won't be enough. Watch me fake the struggle while I get it off the hush. Now it's jet blue miles, Rolex dials, frowns turn to smiles. Summertime and then why? Summertime and then why? Summertime and then why? Run that thing back. Until next year. Summertime and then why?
What browser should I refresh? Oh, wait. Oh, no, GJ. You have to freaking give me a bottom wick. You have to give me a bottom wick. No bottom wick. No, I'm not taking it. No bottom wick. I'm not taking it. You said I should refresh browser. Like, Gigi doesn't want to give a bottom wick here. So I'm gonna stay away from Gigi until that happens. But my entry is gonna be right here if it decides to flip, and if not, stop loss will be right below this wick right here.
Yeah, I'm watching the rise, and I wouldn't say I'm shocked, cause I'm hardly surprised.
I'm not in GG, guys, so
Who knew I make it, just needed some time.
I'm just setting my
My wife,
I'm just setting up all this right now just in case it flips and decides to give us a bottom wick, and then we're gonna get in.
thought I was a black guy. It's hard to get over. A foreigner in this world, but I'm fully devoted. I don't take it for granted that the door's been open. I knew I was different. I knew I was chosen. A breadwinner, but I'm soft spoken. Authentic like a 5950 and there's no cap. Let's have a toast to that. Let's have a toast for the real ones. Let's have a toast for the real. Let's have a toast for the real ones. Let's have a toast for the real.
I'm not chasing the move.
They done baptized the bad guy. Still don't follow religion. The fabric's not average. The cotton's Egyptian. 500 for the shoes come dirty, but the European. Less is more and less is the bank. Up the score, I pull up from Trey. From the tray, I'm ballin' like Trey. Do what I can, I do what you can't. I wrote this 30,000 feet up. 10 toes stay G'd up. I'm tryna get that type of wealth like a house on the hills can't see us. Say the money still me up. Stay humble, stay teed up. I don't tell you how to live, so don't hit me with no weak stuff. And if you know the deal, then you know the deal. If it's real, then you know it's real. Toast. Let's have a toast for the real ones. Let's have a toast for the real. Let's have a toast for the real ones. Let's have a toast for the real. Let's have a toast for the real ones. Have a toast for the real. Let's have a toast for the real ones.
You in GG already? No, I'm not in yet. I'm not in yet. The only trade I'm currently in is NZDJPY. That's it. That's the only trade I'm in right now. Um, Alright, so since this candle actually really flip bearish like this, entry is gonna have to be moved. And stop loss will be moved as well. If it does flip bullish again, that's where our entry is gonna be. Not necessarily, Omar. Um, yeah, GJ should push up. NZD JPY is acting like GJ. The same thing GJ did yesterday. If I do take GJ here, that will be it for me today.
Sounds familiar. Yeah. Used to run through the money, now I'm too old. Man, I'm just playing. Shot when I land. Promoter paid for 6 flights, got the team right. I just told Mr. Band, came in for the bands. Beachside Villa for aesthetic, just because and I don't even like the sand. Stan Smith sneakers on the beach, that's the water. I just came in for the tan. This was always planned, you wouldn't understand. I could turn a Chevy to a Cullinan. I could turn a Rolls to an AP. I came from Sorry Sir to come again. I came from 2 screens to HD. Tell her why you mad for. Go on, tell her why you mad for. No new friends, I couldn't catch a win until I cut off the loose ends. Used to whip the Honda in the trunk at 210s. Just like that too. Out the speakers was max B. Couldn't say a thing about the way if you asked me. Never caught the chain, I was always trying to gain green. Ride around with my sexy love in the passenger seat. Tell her why you mad for. Go on, tell her why you mad for. Go ahead and just give me a reason. Not to change your
Yeah,
business,
Ross.
give me a million. I got checks in Hamburg, I might fly out this evening. I got checks in Moscow, I'll be back in a weekend. If it wasn't for COVID, I'd be in Europe touring. Counting cash on the couch, is getting
The same
kinda
thing with
boring.
NZD JPY. Is stronger than JPY, but
Tell her why you mad for. Don't tell her why you mad for. Silly. Soft spoken. I can hit the studio and spit till my jaw's broken. For records in the hour, I'm not bragging, it's all boasting. Pen the top 10 and ball for ball, and it's all coasting. And it's easy for me. Just tell me going, I'm on go, it's no reason for me. Doing features for a feature that's reaching for me. My next show's a mattress store, they been sleeping on me. See, they took my style, see, they been peeking on me. That's why I'm mad for.
no NDL, I'm not in. That's why I have it on the screen. I'm not in yet. My entry is gonna be around 162, 155. That's where my entry is gonna be. GG has been acting like this all week though. All week, except for Tuesday during New York session. Aside from that, this is what it's been doing all week. You said this JPY pair is giving me a headache. You gotta also know that today is also Friday. So even though Gigi has been doing this all week, today is also Friday. So yes, Raj. You said trading feels like gambling. It's crazy how when we have a great day as traders, we don't think that way. It's when the market is acting funny, that's when we start acting like that. I took the buys. I mean, I took the buys, guys. I mean, GJ. All right. While we're waiting here, so if you're looking for a good and reputable broker because your broker sucks, I definitely recommend Anchor Trade right here. Anchor Trade is definitely the best broker, hands down. Now, you can either use MT4 or MT5. So if your broker does not have access to the MT5 platform, you definitely need to switch so you'll be able to use MT5, because very soon we're no longer going to be able to use MT4. And with Anchor Trades, you can either use ECN Plus or ECN. That's the two different account types that I actually do recommend. So if you have at least $1,000, go with ECN Plus. If you have less than $1,000, go with ECN. Now, Anchor Trade spread starts from zero point 0.0 pips, maximum leverage of 1 to 500, which is the leverage that I use in my own personal account. Negative balance protection, very good low commissions, and you can also apply for a matching deposit bonus. But if you do, make sure your leverage is at least 1 to 200, not more than 1 to 200. So if you want the link, you guys can click on the link down below in the description. All right, let's get back to GJ here. Oh, I'm not taking any more trades today. I'm done. Wow, they back again. Alright, I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick, guys. I'll be right back.
Ten toes down, I'm around with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money, ain't no thing. Anything I do for the gang. Ten toes down, I'm around with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money, ain't no thing. Anything I do for the gang. Anything I do for the gang. Took those L's and I took that blame. All money in, we ain't copping no change. Feel like Ice Cube, cause I did good day. Don't need 3 whips, don't need no raise. I'ma keep it simple in the Chevy I skate. Thank the Lord every time I wait. Lace my shoes and I get to that cake. Heads up, I'm coming. This is all we ever wanted. Go and stack it by the hundreds. This is all we ever wanted. Down, I'm around with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money, ain't no thing. Anything I do for the gang. 10 toes down, I'm around with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money, ain't no thing. Anything I do for the gang. Yeah. Pedal the hundreds. Heads up, I'm coming. This is all we ever wanted. Go and stack it by the hundreds. This is all we ever wanted. Ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money, ain't no thing. Anything I do for the gang. 10 toes down, I'ma ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money, ain't no thing. Anything I do for the gang. Yeah. Be my only way, be my one away. You're my only way, be my heartbreak. Be my heartbreak, be my one away, be my only way. You're my only love, be my heartbreak, be my one away, be my only way. You're my only love. Message, hit me now, hope you get the message. Who are you texting? It's not me, then babe, who are you texting? Hit me back, I hope you get the message. Calm you down cause you've been acting reckless. Flood the ring and I bust down the necklace. Doesn't mean a thing, just know I spend it. Doesn't change a thing, just know I spend it on you. Get you Louis if you want it, no that's nothing, no. You can tell me that it's something, but it's nothing, no. You ignore me, but you're always on that phone. Acting funny, but you tell me that you love me though. Hey, you tell me that you love me though. Wanna believe it, but I feel it that it's something wrong. Babe, just tell me what's going on. Be my heartbreak, be my one away, be my only way. You're my only love, be my heartbreak, be my one away, be my only way. You're my only love. Message, hit me now, hope you get the message. Who
All right, I'm back, guys. Very interesting here. All right, stopped out. Loss. NZDJPY probably a loss too. In closing. Come, this is alright guys, definitely not a good day guys. I closed NZDJPY 10 pips, GJ negative 15 pips. Alright, that's that. Yep, else today. Yeah, NZDJPY, I closed out on that too. GJ negative 15 pips, NZDJPY negative 10 pips. Closed it. Yep. All right. For whatever reason, majority of the time I just lose on Fridays. Like, I don't know. It's like Fridays does not like me coming to the market or something. That's just how it is. I can have a good day Monday through Thursday, good days Monday through Thursday, and then Friday will come, bam, it just lose. Some Fridays I'll win, but majority of the time, I lose on Fridays. Fridays doesn't work for me. It doesn't work for me. So, if I do trade next week Friday, one trade and that's it. One trade and that's it. And if next week Friday turns out to be a loss too, I'm not doing Fridays anymore. No live streams on Fridays. There'll be no signals in my VIP on Fridays either. It's just gonna be Monday to Thursday. Because there's no point for me to keep trading on Fridays. If it's not working for me, I don't have to do it. That's why you'll see some people, they don't trade every day. They have the days that they trade because they already know for whatever reason these days just doesn't work for them in the market. So they just keep those days. Some people trade 2 days in a week, some people 3 days in a week. But for me, Monday to Thursday, I be smashing the market. Friday comes, it's like Friday will be like, nope, today is not for you. We got a header in the house. Lucky, where were you Monday to Thursday? We definitely got a header in the house. Phoenix the Stop Loss Academy. That's very funny. I don't care if you subscribe to my channel. I'm removing you from my channel. I don't want no haters here. Talking as if he doesn't take a loss. He probably doesn't even know how to trade. Gone. You said Affirmations. You'll be losing on Mondays, NDL? Yeah, you're not the only one. If you don't trade on Mondays, I promise you, you're not the only one. You're not the only one. I've had a lot of traders they don't trade on Mondays, Thursdays, and Fridays. So they only trade 2 days, Tuesdays and Wednesdays. That's it. That's it. Because right now, with these two losses, I almost just gave back everything I made. Almost just gave back everything I made so far this week. So it just does not make any sense. Now that's gonna take losses to 66. Still at 75%, so it is what it is. You just come back, show up on Monday and Friday. Next week Friday, if we do we take one trade and minimize our lot size. If we win, we win. If we don't, then it is what it is. Next week Friday is going to determine if I'm going to continue streaming on Fridays and trading on Fridays as well. So right now we are why is this thing taking forever? So right now we are 3 losses. All right. market is just not doing nothing today. I mean, it is what it is. You know, it is what it is. I mean, you cannot win it all. But for me personally, I know the days that work for me, and I know the days that don't. But I know Fridays does not work for me, and I'm sure for every one of you watching this stream right now, if you go back to the trades that you've taken in the past, just take a look at the days that you win the most and the days that you lost the most. So the days that you win the most, those are the days you should stick with, because you don't have to trade every day. But if you want to, keep trading, because even those days that you lose the most, just minimize your lot size. Minimize your lot size so that you know that loss is not just gonna heat up your the profit you've made in the beginning of the week or whenever you made that profit. That's the best way to do it. All right. How you say you definitely saw those buys too? Yeah. I mean, it was a freaking buy. This thing should have freaking went up, but it is what it is. And it is how it is. Definitely, definitely should have freaking continued going up. How you saw GJ been moving slow? Oh, looks like one of my fellow live streamers took a loss too on GJ. Absolutely, Stewie Joseph. Yeah, clean traffic to the left. It should have freaking just shoot to the moon. So don't forget that it's summer. Yeah, GG's definitely be moving slow. And it started doing that this week. Like all through this week, even though we took GJ this week, we didn't really uh, take a loss on GJ this week until today. So, um, NZD JPY, I haven't traded this pair in probably like 2 months, and he definitely should have went up too. Absolutely, should have went up too. Clean traffic to the left. Clean traffic to the left. It just didn't work out today. Two things, three things actually. It's NFP, it's freaking Friday. Plus we in the summer, just like uh who said that earlier? Uh oh man, I can't pronounce your name, man. Yeah. But the crazy thing about GJ this week is that the good moves happened during New York. The good moves happened during New York this week. Um, aside from the news yesterday, during pre-New York, we had this freaking nice sell, and on Tuesday, New York, we had this freaking move to the upside. And London session, it just started freaking doing whatever it wants to do. Next week is another week, so we'll see how it goes. You in AUD USD? You took a sell on AUD USD already? If it breaks this support, it should head down to this support down here. If it breaks it, if you're not in already, that's what you gotta wait for, Omar. Just wait and see if it's actually gonna break that support. Just gotta wait and see if it's gonna break this support right here for price to continue pushing down. Yeah, that's what you gotta wait for, Omar. Except if you're in already, then obviously you don't have to wait. Um, all right, guys, that's it for me. I'll see you guys next week. Very nice. Yeah, see you guys on Monday. God bless you all. We'll do this again. And on Friday, like I said earlier, if we do take a trade next week, Friday, we're just gonna lower our lot size. If we take a win, fine. And if not, then it is what it is. So I'll see you guys next week, Monday.